Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an umbrella policy with Travelers easy tutorial step by step clearly. To build an umbrella policy with Travelers, start by visiting the official Travelers website. Navigate to the insurance section to find information on umbrella policies. Read through the descriptions to understand what an umbrella policy covers. Gather your existing insurance information, including auto and home policies. Scroll to the section for existing customers or get a quote. Select the option to request a quote for an umbrella policy. Complete the online form with your personal details. Include information about your current insurance policies. Indicate the coverage limits you are interested in. Submit the form to get a quote for your umbrella policy. Once you receive your quote, review the details carefully. Contact a Travelers representative if you have any questions about the quote. If you are satisfied with the quote, proceed to finalize the policy. Prepare any necessary documentation that may be required. Submit the required documents as requested by Travelers. Review the terms and conditions of the policy to ensure clarity. Make your initial payment to activate the coverage. Keep a copy of your umbrella policy for your records. Stay informed about renewal dates and coverage reviews. Monitor any changes in your life that might require adjustments to your policy. Contact Travelers for assistance whenever needed during your policy term. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.